Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that'll show you how to make a Facebook cover in Canva. So luckily for us, Facebook has got a couple of templates built in ready for us to use in Canva, and you can access them by just hitting the search bar at the top of the website here, and if you just type in the word Facebook cover, actually that'll bring us up with some of the templates then for banners and things like that we can use as a Facebook cover image. So the idea is that you'd browse through these templates and you'd use the filters on the left hand side here as well. You can look at different themes and different subjects and different styles. You can also use text to search. So if you wanted Facebook cover, old, for example, then you can see that, it brings me stuff that is utilizing that keyword as well. So the idea is, like I said, to pick a template that looks similar to what you want to achieve. Even if it's something like you like the style of the frames here on this image, for example, but you don't like the images themselves, you want pictures of you on your holiday or whatever, or for your business, then you could utilize that, and then you just open it up, and obviously you can single click these things and delete them and resize them just like you would any element. But you could also then go to your uploads and upload some pictures and then just drag and drop them into the frames like that. And you can see that, when you click it properly, it utilizes the existing shapes of the frames. And, literally within the time I've spoken to you there now, you can see that how easy it is to just retrofit a template to suit your needs and completely change the tone and use of it as well, So, all of these images here, all of these templates conform to the Facebook cover image pixels, the resolution. So they will all fit perfectly when you upload them to your Facebook account to use as a cover image. They will all fit perfectly. Okay, so once you've got your image and you've gone through everything and you want to export it so you can use it on Facebook, then click share on the top right hand corner, download here, and then download that as an image, usually a PNG, and leave everything else as it is, hit download, and then you can log into your Facebook and then upload that as an image. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there's a link in Canva at the bottom of this video in the description, so you can utilize your free trial version. You can also then subscribe to the channel and like the video if you've enjoyed the content, and if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any content that you'd like to see or any questions like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.